ASPluris from ASP Microcomputers is an innovative real-time mobility suite of modular solutions which provides a robust and cost-effective bridge to your existing accounting or ERP-WMS software that is easy to deploy and maintain, delivering mobility for your organization. ASPluris provides the most advanced distribution and logistics, inventory and stocktake, field service, job costing, customer relationship management, and manufacturing functionalities in your hand. The following presentation shows the dispatch functionality of ASPluris. Please look out for more videos showing put away, receiving, stock adjustment, and stock transfer, to name a few. ASPluris is a multi-user, multitasking, and modular system in which one or more operators in one or more locations can perform various functions such as receiving and dispatch of inventory. As your business grows, ASPluris is easily scalable to add users and functionality such as stocktake and field mobility easily and cost effectively. ASPluris can be used in real time across a Wi-Fi network or in batch mode, either way supplying transactional information flow between your ERP system and your shop floor staff using a rugged handheld terminal such as the Casio DTX8. Not all businesses have identical processes, so we've designed ASPluris to be easily configurable to meet your specific business process requirements, such as managing expiry date and batch number inventory. Here is a diagrammatical representation of how ASPluris connects to ERP systems or to your existing accounting software such as MYOB. A rugged handheld such as the Casio DTX8 barcode terminal provides the mobility functionality to the picking and dispatch process and provides validation that the correct items and quantities are being picked. When initiating the ASPluris application, it brings up the login screen that shows the defined users in the system. A user needs to be identified, in this case John Redman, so that the onus of responsibility can be established, as well as individual KPIs measured if required, such as picking times. This login screen can be password protected if desired. The main menu screen identifies the current users and the available functionality such as dispatch, transfer, barcode test, and others, as can be seen here. On selecting dispatch, the sub-menu appears as on the right. The common operation of shipping out goods is to consolidate or to pick and pack. Consolidation is used when multiple sales delivery orders for the same product are being picked from the bulk store at one time and brought to the pick face for individual sales delivery orders. This saves time in going back and forth to the same location to pick the same product for various sales delivery orders. Pick and pack is for dispatching individual sales delivery orders. Selecting pick and pack will bring up the screen on the handheld as shown here, and initially no sales delivery orders are listed until you tap the refresh button. Once you do that, it will bring up the sales order to be picked. Depending upon the sorting sequence, you will either see the default location for that product or see the next location in the picking sequence. But you will only see one location in this screen. This also shows the information available to the picker, which is displayed on the screen, such as description, part number, line number, total quantity on hand, quantity to be picked, already picked, and quantity ordered. Tapping on the View Inventory button at the bottom of the handheld screen will display stock levels at various locations. In this case, stock is only held in the primary location. The picker can also part pick an item. Notice the quantity on hand has reduced from 23 to 22. We are now picking up the balance of the line item, being a quantity of 3. And on completion, the first line disappears and the next line item is presented. Now, let's see what happens when the picker tries to pick more than ordered. ASPluris validates the product codes, locations and quantities to be picked. All discrepancies result in an error message and the transaction is ignored. If you are using serialized stock and needing to track each serialized item, ASPluris also has this functionality. The screen on the right is showing the same serial number being picked again. Note the quantity 1 of 2 having already been picked. So this scan is ignored. The menu button gives you the option of what actions can be taken at this stage of the picking process. If you picked quantity 1 of line item 5000-5001 and chose the option of completing the line, ASPluris is validating and alerting the picker that they are trying to complete a line without fully picking it. If accepted by tapping on the Yes button, the line is submitted to the system as completed, but with the lesser quantity only. Deploying ASPluris will provide your organization an array of benefits and a fast return on your investment. Benefits including reduced time for order picking, elimination of picking errors, accurate real-time inventory visibility and processing, ability to monitor staff's KPIs such as time taken to pick, just to name a few. Once again, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and please don't hesitate to contact us should you require any further information or a live demo. Goodbye for now.